morning, gentlemen. Today I am going to give information about the India's foreign policy. India's foreign policy means the diplomatic relations and ties which India build with any international organization or with any other country in a global platform. With 75 years of independence, India has now the right to decide for itself, and India's foreign policy cannot be subject to intimidation from the powers of other countries. And it is certainly the basic principle of any international relation that nation's interest comes first. Why India's foreign policy is apart from any other country? The reason is that India holds one fifth of world's population, and it also has its own side of interest. Another reason is that India is the only global power which can challenge the China's Belt and Road Initiative, as India responded against the military aggression of China in the year 2014 with a strong military pushback. And also, the other countries are increasing its dependency on the raw materials from India and is also considering India a good market for their products, as India is having fifth largest GDP in the world. Another major reason is that India is having a good problem solving approach to tackle problems of terrorism, health hazards, environmental issues, sustainable development plans for future. As we see during COVID-19 period that India exported 60 million COVID-19 vaccines under vaccine diplomacy initiative. The challenges which India's foreign policy is facing is that first, the Russia-Ukraine war. It is certainly a very complex political issue, and since India and Russia are good trading partners of each other, it is difficult for India to adopt any one side. And second challenge is that various internal problems which right now India is facing causes India not to express its foreign policy freely. And India can only become a good part in the world when it is strong inside as well as outside. Coming to conclusion, the way moving forward is the collective approach which right now India is adopting to tackle problems of such as terrorism, then environmental issues and health hazards as well, and also bringing evolution in the policies but maintaining the same basic principles which were implemented earlier under India's foreign policy. Thank you, gentlemen.